Hey everyone, welcome to our basic photography course, your first step into the world of capturing stunning photos with confidence. My name is Georgia, and in this course, we'll break down the fundamentals of photography in a simple, practical way, whether you're using a DSLR, mirrorless, or even your smartphone. Photography is more than just clicking a button. It's about telling a story, capturing a moment, and freezing time. At its core, photography is the art and science of capturing light. There are many styles of photography: portrait, landscape, street, wildlife, product, and more. As we go through the course, you'll start to discover what you enjoy the most. To get started, you don't need the most expensive gear. A camera with manual settings, a kit lens, and a tripod are more than enough. If you're using a phone, that's great too. Tech has come a long way. The foundation of photography is the exposure triangle, made up of three key settings. Aperture controls the depth of field. Shutter speed controls motion blur. ISO controls brightness in low light. Don't worry, we'll go deep into each of these in the next episodes. Before the next episode, try this. Take 5 photos of the same subject using different angles and light sources. Don't worry about perfection. Just observe how light changes your photo. If you enjoyed this and want to continue learning, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for episode 2, where we'll explore understanding your camera. Drop your questions in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. See you in the next class. Would you like scripts for the next episodes too, like Aperture explained, shutter speed, and so on?